The LED matrix beam headlights on the Passat are equipped with a basic light module alongside with a matrix projection system with 32 individually controlled LEDs which react flexibly to different situations. In the city, possible hazards at the side of the road can be detected earlier up to a speed of 35 km per hour, thanks to the better illumination of the peripheral zones. Out of town, the headlights automatically switch to main beam above 30 km per hour. With their dynamic cornering light, they direct targeted light into the bend. The light follows a steering wheel angle and works in every mode. With main beam, the headlights react to reflective traffic signs and omit them precisely from the lighting cone. The same principle applies to traffic ahead and oncoming vehicles. A camera detects several vehicles at the same time and dynamically regulates light distribution within the LED matrix. This prevents other vehicles from being dazzled despite the main beam. On the motorway, the distance of the light beam increases to 130 meters for greater comfort and safety on long journeys. IQ.LIGHT LED matrix beam headlights on the Passat. The comfortable traveling companion in the Passat, Travel Assist. The driving assistant Travel Assist makes driving even more comfortable now. At the press of a button, its sensors observe the surroundings up to a speed of 210 kilometers per hour. Using radar, Travel Assist can maintain a safe distance to vehicles in front, while it uses the camera to detect lane markings and stay in the lane. In combination with ACC with predictive cruise control, it can identify the speed limits along the route and automatically adjust the vehicle's speed. When changing lanes, Side Assist can warn the driver of vehicles in the blind spot. Even in roadworks, Travel Assist can help keep the vehicle in the lane, since the system also detects boundaries such as crash barriers and guardrails, always provided the driver's hands are registered by the capacitive steering wheel. Comfortable traveling in the Passat with Travel Assist. A chassis should always have a suspension that is both comfortable and sporty. Adaptive Chassis Control DCC ensures appropriate damping within the limits of the system. Within milliseconds, DCC automatically selects the right damping for each wheel and matching the driving situation and road surface. The driving profiles from Volkswagen offer the right mode for each driver. Normal, comfort or sport, and now even more individually adjustable. Fine intermediate levels achieve customized suspension comfort over an extended adjustment range. The further developed comfort mode dampens uneven road surfaces even more precisely for even more comfortable handling. Completely different is the extended sport mode. Here the damping is now even stiffer, the connection to the road is more direct, and the driving feeling is even sportier. Personalised suspension comfort in the Passat. Adaptive Chassis Control DCC.
Convenience in driving also involves keeping a safe distance. ACC assists the driver within the limits of the system. The system scans the area in front of the vehicle using radar and detects the traffic ahead. An inattentive driver changing lanes, ACC detects the vehicle, brakes and keeps the set distance. Then the system accelerates to the previously set speed. New, ACC now also detects speed limits and can consider route information, such as roundabouts, intersections and bends. Using map data, the system permanently checks the route. Like a personal navigator, ACC indicates bend ahead. The assistant brakes automatically to a suitable speed through the bend and then accelerates again. Using map data, ACC also recognizes speed limits and reacts. ACC automatically adjusts the speed within system limits. In addition, the multifunction camera scans traffic signs along the route. and compares the vehicle's speed with the route information. Naturally, the driver can override the system at any time. Keeping a comfortable distance, observing speed limits better. Adaptive Cruise Control ACC with predictive cruise control.